Hello everyone, Alexander here, doing a very nice vlog, and we are in a very nice location. This is Khan, this is the birthday boy. Khan, just look at me. Say hi to the camera.
Hello!
And happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
We are celebrating right here at a very nice location. Man, you have to see this place. It's like freaking crazy. I'm going out of the shadow right now. So the girls love it here. Did you hear that? So, how's the water?
The water is perfect. It's not cold. It's not hot. Perfect.
Did you had something to drink though?
Yeah, have prosecco, beers, coffee, everything. Just water. It's just water.
Yeah, no, just water. Don't mind them. We're not alcoholics. We don't drink, right?
No, don't drink, guys. Drinking is bad.
Yeah, drinking is bad,
No,
kids.
it's not
Don't.
bad. It's pretty good.
Yeah, exactly. Taking some nice pictures right now, right, Lina?
Yeah.
So, guys, if you want, we can do with this camera photos.
Yeah, but let's see there so we can see all the pictures.
All right.
So just take the.
Right now, I'm filming this. Beautiful day at Saadiyat Beach Club in Abu Dhabi, guys.
Beautiful people.
Sorry?
Beautiful
people as well, exactly. And we're just taking some pictures right here. So like this guy is 25, so we must take some nice pictures. And
25?
no, he's actually 52. He's 52 years old. Alright. Da, posso ne faccio poză, stăm puțin. We're going on the grass there. So I just noticed she actually has a strawberry inside. Look at that. A strawberry inside the glass. That's very fancy.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
This is the birthday guy coming out of the water right now.
Oh yeah.
So guys, this place is absolutely crazy. It's really amazing. It's, I would say, probably is the best pool in Abu Dhabi. You know, the best environment if you wanna go out and have fun at the pool, swim, enjoy good music. I have these glasses right here because it's my friend's birthday, Khan. I wished him a very happy birthday. This was not planned at all. I would say this is one of the best things in Abu Dhabi. You go at the pool, you go at the beach, it's sunshine. Right now it's the perfect weather, guys. I'm telling you, it's the absolute perfect weather because it's not summer yet, it's spring, it's March. I often come here. If you ever check my Instagram, you'll see a lot of pictures from this place because I really enjoy it. We're gonna play some volleyball. Yeah. We're going to the nice beach at Saadiyat, and we're pushed away from all the craziness that's out there. And say hi to my friend. Yeah, she's my friend, Ainur. That's rugby ball. If anybody knows how to play rugby, let me know. Okay, we're actually gonna play some volleyball, right? officially finished the day. I think this will be a very nice YouTube video for you guys, so thank you very much for watching, and subscribe.